Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check mutual friends on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to check the mutual friends on Snapchat, first open up the Snapchat app, and after landing on this page guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there are a bunch of options, and at the bottom right corner of the screen there is a play button. Just beside it there is the friends or two persons icon. Tap on it, and from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the three dotted icon available for us. Just beside that there is a person with a plus icon. Tap on the person with the plus icon, and over here guys you will see all of your mutual friends on Snapchat even though you have not added them. The Snapchat does not show the mutual friends of yours like Facebook or Instagram by going to their profile and watching their or viewing their mutual friends. Instead you will find all of your mutual friends on Snapchat at the top right corner. Again, tap on this over here on this section, and there guys, this is how you can check mutual friends on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.